After you sign in, open Shopify. That takes you to the Shopify App Store. Click Add App, confirm when prompted, then choose Install App to add DSer to your Shopify store. Next, pick the free plan and press Get Started. We also need to link DSer to AliExpress. Click AliExpress and either sign in to your existing AliExpress account or create a new one. Once logged in, select Let's Start Importing Products and skip the quick tutorial. The last thing is to install DSer's Chrome extension. Go to Home, Chrome extension, Add to Chrome. Then pin it by clicking the puzzle icon in your browser and turning the pin blue so the DSer extension stays visible in the toolbar. Now click the extension and choose DSer. That brings you back to their homepage. Click Log in there to activate the Chrome extension. With that done, you're ready to import products. Go to AliExpress and find the item you want to sell on your store. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you are using or plan on using Shopify. Until next time, stay focused, stay profitable, and I'll see you in the next video.